Hey guys, Crystal here for Unity. I have a super fun technique using Kraft Color Combos, of course, and color pencils. How fun and easy is this? To start, we're going to have Wild Florals, stamps for the flowers, and we're using the sentiment from Another Name for Love. Using my Gansai Tambi Starry colors and Distress Oxides and my color pencils. We are going to begin by stamping the flower from Wild Florals onto the corner of the craft. We're going to repeat the process by inking up our stamp and using the very edge of the stamp set onto the edge of the card panel. Once that's done, we're going to place the sentiment by our flowers. We're going to begin by using our color pencils, and you can use any color pencils. These are chameleons, and I am using white onto the edge of each petal. I'm going to follow the white by flipping over my pencil and using the lighter of the yellows again on each petal. Once each petal is done, I'm going to move on to using the next shade of yellow, which is one of the darker shades. Move on to a brown, and in the very center I'm going to use the darkest of the brown, going back with the lightest yellow, and just keep blending. I'm going to repeat the same process with the other two flowers that have been partially stamped. It's a little easier because it's just a... Now for the leaves. You're probably wondering, what are we doing with the leaves? We are going to go in with white. Yep, I said white. And then at the base of each leaf, I'm going to be using a army green color, an olive green, and just at the base, blending up to the white. How fun is that? Okay, now using my Distress ink and antique linen, I'm going to go around the card and using my blending sponge, just adding a little bit of distress onto the edge. Of course, this needs some gold something, so using my starry colors from Gansai Tambi, I am using the white gold, getting some water onto that and flicking that onto my card. And that is it for this card. Thank you so much for joining me on this color combo using Kraft cardstock and color pencils. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not yet. Like the video and leave a sweet comment. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.